What's up YouTube, Jeff back from SammyGuru.com. Today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today we're talking about a pretty exciting update that Samsung pushed out to the Galaxy Enhance X application, which if you don't know about it, it's an AI editing app for your photos and videos that's maintained by Samsung directly. And it does have some features in it that you can't find in the regular Galaxy AI image cleanup tools that you get in the gallery. So it is worth knowing about it. They added two new features, the focus shift feature and an increased screen resolution, which is great for screenshots and things like that, where you can go up to 5x zoom and increase the resolution, which is really awesome if you want to zoom in on something and then also still make it easy to read. We're going to look at that today. I will tell you at the very beginning, because people always get upset when I'm covering new features, which is what we do on this channel. I don't know why people get upset. It's kind of what we do here. This is only on the Fold 7 and Flip 7 right now. It's not even on the S25 Ultra yet. With the Beta 4, it's only available One UI 8 stable, quote unquote, on the Fold 7 and Flip 7. Before we get started, make sure you check out the website, SammyGuru.com, covering the latest Samsung news, tips, tricks, tutorials, and reviews. You can also get in our mystery box program. Tap on the orange banner at the top. Choose your phone. The X26 series is open now. You can tap there. Put in your phone number, email, or both. You'll get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, screen protector, and a 65-watt charger with your Galaxy S26 series pre-order. We cover all the shipping costs and everything. All you have to do is use our affiliate link to order. That's how we fund the program, and also helps us sustain the website and the YouTube content as well. Check that out below if you're interested. So as I said, only on the Fold 7 and Flip 7 right now, but obviously this will come to you eventually because One UI 8 stable is rolling out next month. Let's go ahead and take a look at the update itself. Let's go down to the Galaxy Store and just do a quick search for Enhance X right there. And check out the latest version, which was a large update, 16.0.01.8, 116.36 megabytes. Says July 18th, but I didn't get it until recently. New features, focus shift, tap anywhere on your image to bring your subject into sharp focus. Enhance X will intelligently blur everything else. It's perfect for portraits, product shots, or turning everyday photos into striking visuals with depth. Crop and upscale, enjoy a powerful AI-enhanced zoom experience built into the app, allowing you to improve photos up to the 5x resolution. So if we go to open here, we'll take a quick look. I'm going to choose a photo here that is a screenshot someone sent me for some products I was getting together for the mystery box the vendor sent. If you go over here, you now have the increased resolution, and you can see it offers up to 5x, but it's completely dependent on the image size that you have. The larger the image, the less that it can actually zoom in and increase the resolution. And it can't do it at all for images above 4 megapixels, so don't try this on photos that you took with your Z Fold 7 or your Z Flip 7 or your S25 Ultra. But it does a great job. If you do 3x and then you do the increased resolution, it will basically do a quick zoom and enhance. Now the S25 Ultra running One UI 8 Beta 4, it will basically let you get up to 3x, but it doesn't go all the way to 5. You can see here the resolution improvements, actually very nice. The amount of resolution they're able to get out of there. And if you zoom in and see the details, it's actually strikingly good, especially on the places where there's some glare and things like that. So it's doing a really nice job with this enhancement. I really do like this tool. It's great for screenshots, great for anything else. It's low res that you grab off the web that you want to use, social media, etc. It's definitely a nice tool. Again, it's completely dependent on the size of the original image though, as to what it can actually do. Now, select another video here, or photo of me, which I just took this photo specifically for this tutorial purpose, to show you the brand new focus shift, which is right here. Focus shift will allow you to apply blur, wherever you tap on the screen. So you can basically tap anywhere and it will do some blurring. Of course, if you're using a portrait, you obviously want to get right on the person's face. It does a great job of cutting out the subject in that case, but if I wanted to, get the door in focus, and not my face, it'll blur out my face. So I want to get the TV in focus, it'll do that. It only recognizes certain elements. You can see, like with the lights, it doesn't do a great job. But for the primary purpose of where you want to pull out the subject from a portrait photo or from a product shot, like if you were taking a shot of your phone or a case or an accessory, like I do a lot of times on the channel, it does a fantastic job of that with the focus shift. You can also turn the blur up or down here. You can see here how much blur you want in the background, starting with 0 and going all the way up to 7. Obviously, it chooses whatever it thinks is the best to pull out the features, and every time you tap, you can go through and then choose a new level of blur depending on where you tap in the photo. Because of course there might be some times where it makes sense. And of course when you hit done, you can go up here, share, and then you can also save the image if you want. Save it as a copy so you don't lose your original image, of course. So a nice new feature, it's there highlighted. They have this new carousel here as well in the app that highlights all the various features. They've changed the UI. There's still these cool downloadable features as well, camera shift and sky guide, because they have relatively large sizes. Samsung's really improved Galaxy Enhance X. It's an app that started off kind of confusing, like why does it exist? Because these could be in the regular gallery app, but I think it's because there's so many options in the regular gallery, they don't want to overwhelm, average users, so they offload some of them to this app, and I kind of like it. Anyway, check it out. I'll have the APK below if you do have a Fold 7 or Flip 7. You didn't get the update yet. Next month when One UI 8 rolls out, you will be able to download this and utilize these new features, of course, assuming you have an S-line phone from the last couple of years or more modern, last couple of years, Fold or Flip, should run just fine. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Check out the website, SammyGuru.com, the Mystery Box program, a lot more coming. SammyGuru Rewards is going to be rolling out later this year. We have some huge surprises on the website and the YouTube channel. Go subscribe to the new SammyGuru channel because a lot of our update software content will move over there later this year, early 2026, because I'm going to start doing more hardware stuff on this channel, which I want to do for a long time to kind of balance out our approach. So definitely subscribe to the SammyGuru channel so you can stay up to date on that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.